snowman? Or ride our bikes? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I think some company is over. We don't know the words.
It's alright, you just keep going through it. You'll figure it out.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Oh, wait. Okay, bye.
I like that. We forgot to do that part.
Yeah, who cares? We have to wait. Okay, yeah, okay, we're done.